Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you delicious pork curry. I have a pork loin chop and these are boneless and it's about 6 pounds and I'm going to use 3 of these, so that will be 2 pounds. And I'm going to cut into small pieces, going to wash it with cold water. For our tadka, 1 tablespoon olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil. Half cup tomato sauce, 1 cup water, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. All the ingredients will be half teaspoon each. Coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, degi mirt and salt. Pork chops cut into small cube-sized pieces. The tip is, if you cut the small pieces, they will cook faster and they will taste better. And let's start making our delicious pork curry. Get a kadai or wok, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high, olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, we'll bring cumin seed, jeera. We're going to cook for like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger, garlic, and green chili paste, green splatter. I'm going to use that. And this is really good. We're going to cook for like 20 seconds. The screen splatter really helps. Your camera don't get dirty, your countertop don't get messy, and this is looking good. Perfect. Start the pan and bring the onion. Mix it well, and we're going to keep cooking the onion until they get nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Now I'm going to bring all the spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, haldi and degi mirt. Mix it well and we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for half a minute. Keep mixing. Cooking our spices with tadka for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cook tomato sauce along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the meat. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on high gas we're going to cook for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I will bring the gas to medium, cover with the lid and cook for 15 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 15 minutes. I opened it after 5 minutes and then 10 minutes again I opened it and stirred it, and now 15 minutes later I'm going to open it, mix it. If we check the meat, it does cut through, so it's nicely cooked. I'm going to bring the gas to simmer, which is low. Cover with the lid again. This is a perfect gravy, and if you want running gravy you can add more water. And we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes on a simmer. I'll open it. Parsley flake, 1 teaspoon, and mix it. Our pork curry is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving tray ready and I'm going to dish out. It's a super tasty and super delicious. If you want a running gravy, you always can add more water. Let me share with you. Pork curry is very tasty and very delicious. It's perfect with roti and with rice flour. Please try and you're going to like it. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.